Please excuse this interruption for a public service announcement. The Bambu Lab A1 3D printer has been recalled.
Yes, they want it back. Several days ago, Bambu Lab announced that there was an issue with the A1 heated bed cable. Bambu Lab offered to replace the heated bed on the A1 printer for any customers that had a damaged cable in the back. All they had to do is send in a picture and Bambu Lab would send them a new heated bed. Any customers whose bed cable was not damaged, Bambu Lab created a coupling to go on the cable where it connects to the base of the 3D printer. They also made a model that you could 3D print yourself and attach it directly to your printer. But apparently 3D printing a cable coupling was not good enough. On February 5th, Bambu Lab recalled all A1 3D printers. This is really concerning for anyone such as myself who recently fell in love with the A1. There are currently two options to the recall. Option 1, you can return your A1 and get a full refund as well as an $80 voucher to use on the Bambu Lab online store. Option 2 is to stop using the A1 until Bambu Lab sends you a new heated bed. The second option comes with a $120 voucher that you can use on the Bambu Lab store. I went with the second option given the fact that I've bonded pretty well with the A1. It's an excellent printer. Bambu Lab is hoping to ship out the new heated beds around the end of March. In the meantime, I will be fine-tuning my Creality Halide Light resin printer and upgrading my CO2 laser cutter. I strongly hope that you subscribe to follow along in my journey of becoming an inventor. And with that, I encourage you to think creatively and go build something awesome.
This concludes the public service announcement. Man, this really stinks. I love this printer.